Hi everyone, it's Karen. I'm going to show you what I received in my mystery box for April. The first item is mint vinyl. So this is adhesive vinyl, the type you would use on walls because it's non-permanent. I also have a package of pastel colored vinyl. This package contains 6 sheets, 12 by 12 inches. And the colors are right over here. I have a package of purple glitter vinyl. I have teal glitter vinyl. I have a sampler of adhesive foil. The package contains 5 sheets, 12 by 12, and the colors of this one are turquoise, light pink, rose gold, copper, and red coral. And this one looks like a lot of fun. It's a package of light pink party foil. So it contains 1 sheet each of holographic sparkle and party foil. There's also a package of white window cling. The package includes an iron-on design. Each of the boxes will have a different design. This is what I received in mine. Yours may differ. And then there is the essential tool set in blue. So this set by itself, the regular price for this tool set is $49.99. So this box is selling for $39.99. It contains $117.91 worth of products. You can use my discount code ScrappyDiva to get 10% off and free shipping. And it will be live at 10 p.m. Eastern tonight. Thanks so much for watching.